Hi guys, welcome to this trading tutorial. Here it's market open. You can see it's on a minute chart and we're 3 minutes into the day. And I'm looking to short IDTI under the previous candle. So it's the second green candle. And it's a perfect spot, a whole number, 19.99. So shorting it underneath $20 for a reversal play. It's down 20% for the day. You can see that if you look on the trading chart, sorry, not the trading chart, the trading platform here. At the top, it tells you that it's 20.8%. Now, if this trade goes over the day's high, which is $20.40, this is a no trade for me. So I'll be out of this trade without even having a go. Now it's rejected that area, and here we go. It's about to break now. Okay. And there we go. It should have taken my order. Yeah, it has. It's taken my order. It's in the account manager down there in the bottom. And once again, I'm covering up my amount. I'm trading with figures, numbers and points, rather than how much money I make and how many dollars I'm gaining or losing. It definitely helps me. It takes out the psychological area. I struggled when I first started trading with that, and to this day I continuously do it, even though that's probably a really good place to have my top 20, whereas you know, the biggest gainers, the most active, are all in that box. So I can just easily move that around on the chart. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just watching it. My stop is once again at $20.40. If you look at the top of the screen where I make my trades, you can see above that 21% down, it's got there the H, which means the high, and the L, which means the low. They're definitely they're significant because they're breakout areas. Now preparing to take my 300 shares out of the 450 that I've shorted, and I'm ready to buy them. That's my trade plan and now it's testing the low of day. Right now it's broken the lower day, which is fantastic. And I tried to buy there, I actually made a mistake. I still have my stop order in. So the market actually helped me. I made a couple more points and a decent profit. I think it was about $190. So that's not a bad start to the day, not a bad start to the week. And yeah, I'm very happy with that. Now, I leave the remaining 150 shares to run a little bit. And I can easily just keep my stop. I'll keep my stop in the same spot because I cannot see this trade going too far against me. If it does, it does, because you know, nothing is ever concrete in trading, but this is definitely, it looks like a great trade. And actually if it reverses, I might take another trade short. So here it's about 20 minutes into the day, and I've just shorted IDTI again. See how it's popped all the way back up. You know, I'm in a profit of $200 already. It's popped all the way up. I've got a nice tight stop at 20.40, so I decided to re-short it. But if you notice, my quantity was only 250 shares. So that just shows my money management is well intact, and this trade it's not a rush. Obviously the volatility of the morning is starting to fizzle out, and it's just a trade that I wanted to take because I knew that if I took it, I have a nice tight stop, and on the flip side I can test the lower days again, and I hopefully break the lower days, and we'll just see how we go. Now, this is something I only just started developing about 2 years ago, where I just take a lower quantity trade and leave it. I'll go off and watch a few movies, you know, put on Netflix for a little bit, and that's the beauty. Like, a lot of people can't believe that I'm watching movies throughout the day whilst I should be trading. But, you know, that's another rule. Don't overtrade. Don't trade what's not there. You know, sometimes we see, oh, that's a pattern. Yeah, I got to trade that. But yeah, I'm up $200. The most I can possibly lose on this trade is probably about $50. And you know, you've got the rest of the day to kind of look at other things. But when I'm happy, when I'm comfortable, when I'm watching a movie, or when I'm, you know, doing things that I like, that is when I trade well. When I'm stressed, when I'm flustered, when I really want to make a trade, that's when I lose my money. So that's experience, but at the same time, it's discipline. So this trade's going to take a lot longer. So what I'll do is I'll cut the video because you don't want to see me watching movies and things like that. And we'll come back and see how this trade ended up. We'll be able to see the patterns and the perfect reversal points that I've picked. Okay, so you can see that it's broken the lower day. Exactly what I spoke about. Now, it could have gone against me. It could have gone over that 2040, and it actually touched it. If you look at that green spike, it actually touched that area. So yeah, it's still not that late. It's only 10:10 a.m. So I got, you know, if I want to make another trade for the rest of the day, I can. But if I don't want to, if I'm happy with my, you know, what have I got there? 348 I took. $348 for today. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll put some more videos up. They do take time. Bear with me. Have a good day.